Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem based on the directional distance test, and the problem is, so the door of Kalyan's house faces the east. From the backside of his house, he walks straight he walks straight 50 meters, then turns to the right and walks 50 meters again. Finally, he turns towards left and stops after walking 25 meters. So now Kalyan is how far from starting point and in which direction? Okay, so Kalyan's house door faces the east, right? So from the back side his house, he walks straight 50 meters, right? So that means first we write the basic directions, right? First we write the basic direction. So that means this one is north, south, east and west, right? So in between directions are northeast, this one. So this is northwest and this is southeast and this is southwest. Let us assume this is the house of the let us assume this point is the house of the Kalyan. Okay, so he said Kalyan's door home faces the east. So this is the opening. Why? Because this side is the east. So this is the east side, right? But what he did, from the back side of his house, so that means this is the back side, his house, he walks straight 50 meters. Okay, so this is his home and his entrance is at east side, but from back side straight he walked 50 meters. Okay, 50 meters. Then turns to the right. So if he is moving in this direction and his right side is going to be this direction, right? And walks 50 meters again. So again he walks 50 meters here. Okay, walks 50 meters again. Finally, he turns towards to the left. He is moving in this direction, then the left is going to be in this direction and stops after walking 25 meters. So 25 meters he is walked. So from this, if you see, this is the east and now he moved in the west direction and then north and then he moved to the west again. So from the starting, how far is from the point and in which direction? From the starting point, right? So if you see from the starting point, he is in this direction, right? He is in this direction. So if you see this direction, so he is like this direction, right? So this is which direction? Northwest direction. So that means the Kalyan is in which direction? Northwest direction now. Northwest direction. So now we have to find how much distance how far is from the starting point. So to find, we have to find this distance. So from this, I will extend this one to here. I will extend from here to here. If this one is 50 meters, so this one is also going to be 50 meters. if this one is 50 meters, so this distance is also going to be 50 meters, right? So now, so the total distance from here to here is 50 plus 25. So that is going to be 75 meters. And this distance is total 50 meters. So now if you see, so it is here it is making 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. So it is going to be follow the Pythagoras theorem. So it is going to be follow the Pythagoras theorem. Let us take this one is A and this one is B and this one is the C. So from this triangle, it is clear that ACB, angle ACB is equal 90 degrees. So this one is going to be follow the Pythagoras theorem. So that is AB square is equal to, AC square plus BC square, right? So from this, so AC is how much? 50 meters. So that is 50 square plus BC is how much? 75 square. 75 square. So then AB is going to be under the root of 50 square plus 75 square. Okay, 75 square. So 50 square is going to be 2500 and 75 is going to be 75 into 75, right? So 5 5 is 25, 7 into 8, 56. So 5625. So this is going to be 5625 under the root of. Okay. So after finding this whatever value, okay, calculating this one, so that value is going to be the distance between starting point to the current position of the career. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe my channel.